Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome you all to your English class. Here is your English teacher, Miss Aisha. Dear students, as you know, we are doing book work of the first chapter of English Broadway, The Great Race. So open your English Broadway and open its page number 15. As in the last lesson, we did book work on page number 14 and page number 13. Okay, today we will do bookwork on page number 15. So first of all, prepare your book page. Write C.W. day, that today is Monday and today is 11th May 2020. Okay. Okay, dear students, today we will learn a new grammar concept, that is pronoun. So before starting this concept, I want you to recall the concept, that is noun. As you all know what is noun. Noun is a name of person, place, or thing. Okay, so let's look at this exercise, learn grammar, and read the first sentence. The motorcycle starts with a lot of noise. Now, in this sentence, what is motorcycle? Motorcycle is a noun. Motorcycle is a noun. And in the next sentence, we are talking about motorcycle and we are saying it moves off with a roar. It moves off with a roar. Who moves off? Obviously, motorcycle moves off. Here, motorcycle is a noun and it is singular also. Okay, this is one motorcycle. But what we do, we actually don't use the nouns again and again. We don't say the motorcycle starts off with a lot of noise. Motorcycle moves with a roar. Motorcycle has an engine. So we are not using the word motorcycle again, and again. We use motorcycle word only one time. But in the next sentence, we are using the word it in place of noun. So what is it here? It refers to the noun motorcycle, and this word it, which is using in place of noun, is actually a pronoun. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns. The common pronouns that you will read in grade 2 are he, she, it, and they. Today we will discuss two pronouns that are it and they. We use it pronoun when our noun is singular. We use it when noun is singular, and we use they when our noun is plural. For example, look at this sentence. It moves its pedals. Now look here, the noun pedals. These are plural. Okay. It moves its pedals and they go up and down. Who go up and down? Obviously, we are talking about the noun pedals. But here pedals are plural, so we use the pronoun they. Okay, are you clear? We use it when our noun is singular and we use they when our noun is plural. And it and they are pronouns. These are using in place of nouns. Okay, clear? So turn the page. Look at this exercise. When you will solve this exercise, you will be very clear about the pronouns. Okay, in this exercise, what you will do, first read the question with me, rewrite the sentences below, use it or they instead of underlined words. Now here in each sentence, you have few words which are underlined. Okay, there are few words which are underlined. So what you will do, you will replace these underlined words with pronouns it or they. Okay, how you will get know that you will use it or they? Just look at the underlined word. If the underlined word is singular, you will use it, and if the underlined word is plural, you will use the pronoun that is they. The first one is already done in your book. Look, look at my new bicycle. The bicycle has two wheels. Now the bicycle is underlined, and this the word bicycle is noun and it is singular also. So in the next sentence we will write the first sentence as it, but in the next sentence we replace the word the bicycle with pronoun that is it. It has two wheels. Okay. Now look at the second one. The monkey wants to ride my bicycle. The monkey is very naughty. Now this word is underlined. The monkey. What you will do, now look, it is singular also. We are talking about one monkey. Okay. You will solve this exercise on your book. Okay. So cut the word monkey and the right pronoun it over it. Done. Look at the third one. There are lots of animals in the zoo. The animals are inside cages. Now we have word underlined that is the animals. The animals are plural. Here we are talking about lots of animals, not only one animal. So this word, this noun is plural. So we will use pronoun that is they. Cut the word and write they over it on your book. Done. Next one. Those men are throwing stones at the animals. The men are bad men. Here the men. The noun is plural. Man is singular and men is plural. The men are bad men. So the underlined word is plural. So you will use the pronoun they. Next one. I can't find my book. The book was on the table. The book. The book noun is singular. So we will use pronoun it. Cut the word the book and write it over it. Next, sixth one. We don't use plastic bags now. Plastic bags make the place dirty. Now plastic bags is noun and this is also plural. What is written? Plastic bags. You notice S? So this is plural. So with plural, in the place of plural nouns, we use pronoun they. Clear? So look at the next exercise. E part. Use it or they in the blanks. Now here you have blanks. You will fill the blanks with it or they and complete the sentences. The word in italics is in each sentence will help you to choose the correct answer. So in the previous exercise, the underlined word helps you to find the answer. In this exercise, the italic word. What means italic? The words which are tilt. Okay, you can notice these words are tilted. So the words which are written in italic will tell you that you will use it or they. If the italic word is singular, you will use the pronoun it, and if the italic word is plural, you will use the pronoun they. The first one. Shama has a garden. Now this word garden is a noun. Shama is also noun, but the hint is given in the sentence that look at the italic word. Okay, italic word garden is singular, so in the blank you will use it. It is pretty and big. Next one, the children are playing in the park. Children. The children, the word children, now park is also noun here, but look at the italic word children. Children is plural. This noun is plural. So in the blank you will use pronoun they. They are making a lot of noise. Clear? So the third one, tigers belong to the cat family. Now here are two nouns, cat and tigers. But look at the italic one, tigers. It is a plural noun. So in the blank we will use they. They are wild animals. Clear? So as one notice one thing more, that this is one sentence ending with full stop, and with the blank we are starting a new sentence. Okay, with the blank we are starting a new sentence. When new sentence is starting, the first letter will be capital. Fourth one, the cat is not a wild animal. Look at the word cat. Cat is a noun and it is singular also. So in the blank we will use it. We keep it as a pet in our homes. Now this blank is in the mid of the sentence. The sentence is starting we. So here we write it in small letters. Clear? Okay, next one, the fifth one. We also keep dogs as pets. Here look at the word dogs. It is italic one. It is plural. Dogs. This noun is plural. So in the blank we will use they. They like people, but they do not like cats. Here we have two blanks. In both blanks we are talking about dogs. Dogs like people. Who like? Dogs like people, but we are not using the word dog, but we are using pronoun they. They like people, but they do not like cats. Who do not like cats? Dogs. This they is also belongs to the noun dogs. Clear? So look at the next one, sixth one. I have a bicycle. I have a bicycle. Bicycle is a noun, it is singular. So in the blank we will use pronoun that is it. I like to ride it. Clear? So this is all about pronouns for this lesson. In the next you will learn about the use of he and she also. Okay? Just do it on your book and practice it lot. Okay? Practice it lot with more examples. So we will see you in your next lesson. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.